You will not believe where I camped last night. Like, there were so many insects and bugs flying around that there was no way I was camping on the floor outside in my tent, in my sleeping bag. So, I camped in a car park outside the store on concrete, and it was so comfy. So this is a new thing, I guess. It was really comfy as well on the concrete because I had some mats. So this is the car park outside the store. This one didn't have a security guard, which is what I checked for to start with. So we're just camping down there in the corner. Stop is to get some baby wipes. Since I haven't been showering in like 2 weeks, I use baby wipes to wash. This seems to be the kitchen area. Aha, well, we're getting closer. The baby wipes that are here. Thick wet wipes, 70 sheets. That should last, right? Konnichiwa.
あら、こんにちは。108円です。
ありがとう。
あと、8円。
あ、tax.
2円のお返しです。
ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございます。
And just like that, we have our wet wipes. I can now have a wash. I haven't had a wash in many days. I'm not going to tell you, but I haven't showered for many days. I've rinsed my face and rinsed my hair, but it's been far too long since I've properly washed. The toilets have a wash, they have bidets, so technically I've been washing downstairs. Mainly just my armpits. My armpits are like super hairy, so I don't really wash them very often. I probably should. Last time it rained and I was cycling, I just started laughing like a maniac, and it's happening again. It's raining, I don't care. I'm cycling one-handed in the rain on the main road, I don't care. I probably should, I can't on life. Although I need to watch where I'm going still. We're going to go onto the curb. The drivers are just staring at me thinking I'm just crazy. But the truth is, I'm not crazy. I'm just loving life. I'm in the middle of Japan. What is there to be unhappy about? But all my stuff's waterproofed. Like, it doesn't matter how wet it gets. Like, the worst it gets happens, I go to a clean laundry and I have to dry all my stuff. And guess what? We're so close to a place called Naruto. I love ADHD, man. It's my secret weapon. It's a magical power. It makes me invincible to negativity. And the lights just change to green. Everything's just go, 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 go. We're just going. That's adventure. It means I'm about to go on a big adventure. I'm always on a big adventure. Whoa. Got caught in the rain, like purely soaked from head to foot. But we've found a store that does energy drinks for less than 100 yen. So we're gonna try this one out, see if this one's any better than the Tia Vita that we had last time. And we're about, I would say, 20 kilometers away from the main city of Naruto, but the central city is about 40 kilometers away. Konnichiwa. England.
England.
Yep. I'm just filming my vlog for the day. We're talking about this energy drink.
Oh yeah, so energy drink. Yeah. Japanese kenko drink.
Oh, it tastes good.
Yeah. Healthy, no?
Subareshi.
That's what I. Oh, speak Japanese? A little bit.
A little bit.
I see. I see.
But we're heading to a place called Naruto. A video.
Okay. I met in Jake. Yeah? Jake, right?
Hi.
Yeah, I met in Jake in southern Japan, Tokushima. And
it's beautiful.
He will be okay. The exercise two-wheeler to target to the finally to Tokyo.
Yeah, to Tokyo, yeah. We will make it.
Okay.
Strong. It's nice to meet you.
Oh, take care. Yeah, nice to meet you too. Huh?
This is tonight's sleeping arrangements. We found a park bench under a shelter. So we're sheltered from above. And it is raining. So I have my tent and my mat as my mattress. I have 2 sleeping bags in case it gets cold. I have my bag as my pillow, and then I usually put my bike to cordon off where I am, and then I put my valuables between my bike and where I am so that I can get to them and they're a little bit protected. So this is tonight's sleep.